Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at a tweezer bottom trade setup. A tweezer bottom trade setup is a bullish reversal pattern, and we're looking for price to move up from this point. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a tweezer bottom setup looks like, how to place a trade using this trade setup, and what are some of the things to pay attention to while trading a tweezer bottom trade setup. Here we're looking at a tweezer bottom trade setup. This is pound CAD 30-minute chart. A tweezer bottom trade setup is where we see price coming down. Generally, price has been coming down like we can see here. It hits a support level and then bounces off, giving us a pin in the bottom with this red candlestick. And then immediately following that, we see another candlestick with a pin in the bottom and a candle body that is approximately the same size as the previous candle, but this is a bullish candle. So essentially we get two pins in the bottom and we get two candlesticks, one coming down, another one going up. This gives us our tweezer bottom trade setup. Once we see this type of a trade setup, this is a bullish reversal signal. So we're looking for price to move higher. So we'll take our trade entry at the close of the candle here, and we're looking to go long. Once we enter the trade there, our stop would go below the pins there. Again, we want to give it some room just in case price comes and tests the level once again. So we place our stop there and we stay with the trade as it's going higher. And then when we see that when price comes into the next support and resistance level over here, it starts to go sideways. We have a large pin here. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade. So just to recap here, a tweezer bottom trade setup is where we have two candlesticks, one red and one green, both of them with pins in the bottom, which shows that price is likely to reverse. So this is a bullish reversal signal, and now we're looking for price to move higher. So we enter our trade at the close of the candlesticks here. So we enter the trade long. Our stop would go below the pins here, and then we look for price to move higher. And as we can see, most of our candles here are green candles. This is a good indication that price is likely to continue higher. And then we come into the next support and resistance level here, and we see that we get a pin. Price starts to go sideways here. So good place for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 95 pips in our trade. So our profit is 95 pips or $950 if trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and like, comment, and subscribe below. That's it for today, and I'll be back with another episode very soon.